Hey everybody, welcome to Cowboy Leather and Shoe Repair. I'm Scott. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're not going to do any leather putting together, cutting out holsters or anything like that. I've got one of the clients I've got is a thrift store, and they buy second rejects of Western clothing, boots, hats, and stuff like that. Well, they called me up and they said they had something like 16, 18 these leather vests, and a lot of them, the snaps are missing on them. So they said, "Can you put new snaps in them?" I said, "Yeah." The only problem is, I said, you can't get the snaps that they put in them when they manufacture them. Well, some of them have got one snap, two snaps missing, and usually, when you buy a vest or a coat or something like that, they usually give you a plastic bag with a couple extra snaps in it. Well, somebody's robbed the snaps. So what we got to do is we got to go through and we got to take all the existing snaps in. I don't know if you can see, but that's got a CC on it. So we got to take those out, and we got to put just plain Jane snaps in them. Well, it's not that hard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the camera down, and I'll show you how we get the old snaps out and we put the new snaps in. Because sometimes these old snaps are a pain to get out. So let me tilt you down. Hit you on my voice here. All right. We're going to take the male end and take a pair of side cutters. Come in here, catch that, snap that, pop that off. Nice clean hole. So I'm just going to run down through. I'm going to shut up while I do this. Yeah, maybe I will, maybe I won't. Shut up. Just the old ones just pop off. So these were the males. Put it on. Now imagine, I'm not sure if you can put these on with a snap and rivet setter. I imagine you probably could. They're just standard, like the line 24 snaps. But I don't have one, a snap setter that is, except for a hand operated one here. Now they did bring me some that have got regular buttons. but I gotta get the buttons. All right, that's the male side. Now we'll do the female. Now what we do here is this big piece of metal has got a hole drilled in it. Put that hole over that. Take a punch, stick it in the middle. Give it a couple of whacks. Everything falls off. That one's missing. Sometimes you gotta take your side cutters, grab a hole, twist, there we go. One more. Side. They come off like that. Then we come back, flip this over so you don't fall in the hole. Some of these you have to use the little anvil with the concaved. So you get your three with your concave, but these are flat on the face. So I just been laying them on here, putting them in. I usually don't do garment, but they also brought down a bunch of boots. And these are not that hard to do. I think I've got 12 of them done. The ones that got snaps in them. All right. And there we go. Took me probably about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Oop, I almost fall off my perch. There we go. So, that's all there is to it. Simple job. Take it, make a little extra money on it. And, you know, sometimes you got to diversify. You know, I'm busy enough. I got, you know, working on Christmas stuff. Finished off of a set of chinks today for a customer, and he's ordered up another set. He wants them for Christmas. But other than that, we're busy with Christmas. I imagine everybody else that's doing leather work is busy the same. I've been watching YouTube, and I see several shops that are backed up, and a couple of them have even stopped taking orders for Christmas time. Probably, what's today, Friday? Probably Monday I'll stop taking orders for Christmas, because I've got probably 15, 20 belts to do. Like I say, the chinks, these vests, I've got make little pouches for these little vice grips. I got 12 of those to get done. So, yep, I got things to do. So, with that said, I'm going to get back to work. Imagine y'all got things to do. Can't make any money sitting here making YouTube videos. So, yeah, if you want to see more videos, give me a thumbs up. Put a comment down there in the bottom. Hit the like, subscribe, whatever. All right, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good day, good weekend, and we'll see you on the next round. On the next one. Bye.